2025 Nissan GT-R continues its legacy as one of the most iconic performance sports cars. Known as Godzilla for its dominating presence on the track and in the marketplace, the GT-R evolves with a blend of modernized tech, updated aesthetics, and its signature powerhouse performance. It represents the culmination of decades of racing heritage and engineering excellence, making it a top contender in the high-performance sports car category. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Nissan GT-R maintains its aggressive aerodynamic silhouette but with subtle refinements. Nissan has implemented sharper lines, a bolder grille, and an enhanced front fascia for better airflow and cooling. The signature quad-ring taillights remain, but the car now features updated LED lighting systems. Wider fenders and a more sculpted rear end enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The GT-R's stance is low and aggressive, with aerodynamic elements like a rear diffuser and an active rear wing improving both downforce and high-speed stability. Interior. The 2025 GT-R's interior blends performance-oriented design with premium materials. The cabin features high-quality leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents, delivering a driver-centric environment. The sports seats provide excellent support for spirited driving, while a new infotainment system offers connectivity and ease of use. The cabin's ergonomic layout, with a focus on driving dynamics, includes a revised instrument cluster and steering wheel controls. Despite its performance focus, the GT-R provides a comfortable ride with attention to sound insulation, minimizing engine and road noise. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Nissan GT-R retains its 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing around 600 horsepower in its top-tier Nismo variant. Paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, the GT-R offers blistering acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. Refinements to the suspension, brakes, and electronic controls improve both handling and ride quality. Nissan's Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system, paired with dynamic torque vectoring, ensures superior grip and cornering stability on both roads and tracks. Safety features. The 2025 GT-R is equipped with an array of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These systems enhance driver confidence during high-speed driving while providing everyday safety. The rigid chassis and reinforced body structure offer excellent crash protection, and the braking system includes larger, high-performance Brembo brakes for optimal stopping power. Market position. The 2025 Nissan GT-R remains positioned as a high-end sports car that rivals models like the Porsche 911 Turbo, Audi R8, and BMW M8. With a price tag that competes in the upper echelons of the performance car segment, the GT-R offers tremendous value for its performance. It continues to attract enthusiasts who appreciate engineering excellence, track-ready performance, and Nissan's storied motorsport heritage. The 2025 Nissan GT-R is an evolution of an icon, balancing its heritage with cutting-edge technology and refined performance. It remains a standout in the high-performance sports car market, delivering incredible speed, agility, and driver engagement. Whether on the street or the track, the GT-R is designed to thrill and inspire, continuing its legacy as one of the greatest performance cars of its generation.